Today we're making no-bake chocolate Oreo Icebox cake. You can also use Nutella to make this cake. I'm going to begin by making a chocolatey cream cheese layer. And you'll need 1 package or 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And we're using 1/2 cup of melted chocolate chips. I'm using milk chocolate chips because that's going to give it a little added sweetness. Use whatever your favorite chocolate is. I melted my chocolate chips in the microwave in 30-second bursts. I've let this chocolate cool just a little. And I want some vanilla flavoring. Add up to a teaspoon of vanilla. And let's go ahead and blend this. I'm actually going to add a couple of dollops of Nutella to my mixture because I love that flavor. You could certainly experiment with this. Use all Nutella, use half and half chocolate Nutella. We're going to use a tub of Cool Whip that has been thawed. Instead of Cool Whip, you could use your own homemade sweetened whipped cream. You would need 3 cups. And I like to give it a taste test because sometimes I just want to add something different to it. A little maple extract. You'll see this texture is pretty firm. We're using an 8x8 pan and I've lined mine with wax paper. You could also use foil. Spread about 1/2 cup of our cream cheese mixture on the bottom. And now we're going to layer this with 16 Oreo cookies. Dip them in milk first. You want to dunk these in the milk because it's going to help soften them. This icebox cake is similar to making a tiramisu. We repeat the layers, placing 16 more Oreo cookies on top of our cream cheese mixture. You know, I think vanilla really accentuates the chocolate flavor. So if you wanted to, you could flavor your milk with 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Our final layer is 1/2 of another 8-ounce container of whipped topping. So this is about 1.5 cups. You want to make your own homemade whipped cream. You'll want to use stabilized whipped cream, and I have a video, a short video and a long form video. Now this is going to go in the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 or 5 hours. If you leave it in the refrigerator overnight, the Oreo cookies get a little softer, so that's up to you. This ends up being a stunning cake in a glass dish. And you don't have to line your pan unless you're gonna remove the cake like I'm planning to do. It's so quick and easy, it doesn't need any garnish, but I normally top it with fresh strawberries or other fruit that's in season. And sometimes I sprinkle this with some extra mini chocolate morsels. It all depends on my mood and what flavor extracts I've added to the mix. No-bake chocolate Oreo icebox cake.